guys, make sure to subscribe first. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and make subscribe. So today I was just thinking about doing a few of my fidgets. Like I don't even show a lot of my fidgets, and I can tell the only one in my team is so messy. That's all I can tell. And I have some stuff up here. This A for Adley puzzle. I love it so much. I got it, and I'm going to show you what I do during the day. And then I'm probably going to do like a rainbow lens later. I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm only like open like one cabinet. Okay, the iPad's holding back. Okay, I'm scared. First I had this tangle, my cabinet. I made this tangle, and it's so fun to play with. I have like this like fidget turner fidget. You can like pop them out, twist them. It's really satisfying to me. I have these poppets, of course, and like everybody has 2 of the same colored poppets at least. I have one up there on my wall. I'll show you it. Here, I'll go get it off my wall. It's hanging up there for just like further notice, so that people can like know that I'm a fidget queen. This one was hanging up on my wall. Let's see what it was hanging up on my wall. Here. It's hanging up, not there. Not on my Barbie house, but like, okay. Sorry. This is kind of not so sturdy. It was hanging up right here on my wall. Oh, almost fell. That's what it's been. And once all guys could turn the video and then click clack and listen. These are my bracelets. Okay. So sorry if it's disturbing. I'm just gonna turn the volume down. Not really hear it. Okay, here we go. Next I have my little fidget ball. Now I've been saving this for a video, and my friend ripped the box accident, but I mean, look how good this thing is. Like, it's so satisfying. Squish, and it's humongous. Literally, look at this. It's freezing too. Well, there I am. It's my room. So yeah. But I have like one of these at like home that I'm doing. I have some more stressful. But look, my friend literally ripped this stinking box open, which is reasonable. She likes to rip everything open. Put my stressful back in this box, and I don't want it getting dirty. Actually, I'm gonna like save it getting dirty. I wanted to show you this later. So, I got some more chips. I have this koala squishy pet. Hey, you can't even see my face. Koala squishy pet. I mean, like, come on, it's a pet. It's a pen. It's a sticky pen. Koala pen. I'm gonna draw on camera. My you make sure to subscribe. There we go. You can't really see it on the camera, but I wrote, hi, make sure, hi, how are you, make sure to subscribe. Okay, and take that out. Have just poppets. I have second order on these colorful ones. Poppets. Jumbo poppet. Look how big this thing is. Anyway, it's bigger than the entire camera. I have this mini poppet, another mini poppet, another mini little poppet, a medium poppet. Oh, I'm not showing any of these. Poppet and medium poppet right here. And then I have Flarp slime. I have some more of this. Okay, let's do the little prank. Funny. It's pretty cool, actually. I kind of like it. It's like so fun. Make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna go get my other slime. Here it is. I got this from my aunt actually, and she doesn't even know I'm a YouTuber. By the way, if she looks up on her phone, she'll see me on YouTube, but whatever. I have like this putty slime thing, and like it's pretty fun to play with. Like it looks really cool too. It's kind of stiff, but it's all. I'm reorganizing these, like for real. Like that's why I took these all out to reorganize them. I don't know if I want to hang this from my wall or not, but I think I am. But I think it should be in my fidget collection. So, but I just can't. So sometimes I'll like forget I'm recording, and I'll keep playing with it like that, and then like I'll like forget. So. So let's kind of put that back. It's a little creepy. And it smells really good. Take a big whiff. I know. It smells like ice cream. It smells like those, what are those called? Those orange sickles. Orange sickles? Orange sickle. No? Orange sickle? Some orange sickle. I have a squishy down here. Oh, and by the way, that's it for the first. Like, that's inside. I have like all these cute little stickers and everything. And down here, so, what is it? Okay, that was my thing. I have my poppet balls back here, right? Can't get them. Here we go. My little poppet balls. They're really nice. I have 3 of them right now. 1, 2. I don't know how I'm fitting this in 3. This is my favorite one. It's like tie-dye. I accidentally like popped it once, like the air out of it, and now it came back to life. Like it was pop up an image of it. Yeah, it was like that. Is that it? Oh my gosh, we did that so quickly. We're gonna reorganize. Ow, that hurt my hands. I'm going to turn this camera to where you can kind of like, Mr. Elephant needs to move, so you can, here we go. Or, let's move the elephant. That's how you'll be able to see. I need Mr. Elephant here to hold you up. Get Mr. Elephant. I'm going to push all my feet to the side. Let's see this. Can you see my hand? You can see my hand. You can see my hand. Purple, purple heart. Flower, love messages. Sorry this. And then number 5. You can see down here. Okay, Mr. Elephant, you're coming here to help. Okay, Mr. Elephant's helping. I need to get all the fidgets that are under Mr. Elephant. And do you want to guys see Mr. Elephant? That's him. He's helping me hold up my camera for you guys. Huge view. Get some of my fidgets out of under Mr. Elephant because it okay, Mr. Oh no, Mr. Elephant. Come back up. What if I just like kind of set this up there? Would that fit? I'll put it down here on the bottom shelf after. So we're gonna do big shelf first. I'm gonna take my big poppet. I'm gonna kind of like fold it in half real quick. I'm gonna kind of like lay it down at the bottom. I mean, like, it looks pretty cool at the bottom. Now I'm gonna have my fidgets on the side. My puppets over here. Because puppets are like big puppets. Like the tiny ones, only big puppets. Good up here. The rainbow. I'm saving my unicorn for something cool. I'm gonna like put it like up here. It's cool. Yeah. Is Mr. Elephant sitting underneath? No, he's not. Oh no, he's sitting on a puppet ball. Never mind. Nope. Oh, it's too high. It's perfecto view. Oh wait. Oh my. What's that even connected to? Weird. It says 10. I'm also I have more puppets than that. I knew I had more puppets. Like brown. That'd be sus. Here they are. They're all behind me. Rude puppets. You can't just hide behind me. Here's 2 of them. And that is actually. Let me check under Mr. Elephant. Yep, that's all of them. And now I'm going to put this big puppet right here in the corner. That. Here's my squishy ball. It's so satisfying. I can't stop squishing it. Okay, let's put it up now. Ouch. Okay. Now put the slimes and the little things at the bottom. Like my squishy under there. My forks. Oh, my little squishy bear pen can go up here too. My little poppet balls can go under there. 1, 2, 3. Oh, number 3. How long have I been recording for? 12 minutes. Wow. Another poppet ball. Go under here. My florp slime can go under here. My putty. That's super satisfying and very cool that I don't want to put up. Can come under here. And my push pop can go under there. Let's close it. Oh, I'm still missing something. Mini puppets go under here. Let me check under Mr. Elephant for something really quick. Okay, there's 2 things under Mr. Elephant. Check. Hi guys. Okay, I'm just gonna put these 2 actual puppets under the cabinet. They can sit on top actually. No, I'm gonna put them under. It's more good. They're there. Sure. Cabinet, baby. Well, that was today's pop-up video. I'm gonna go over my bracelets real quick, so I think I should. I have this little purple one with the rainbow on it. A little crown pink one. These 2 little like shimmery bracelets. I have this blue ring, like hoop, this purple hoop, and this pink hoop. That's all I have on my arm. Put it back on. So I did pink hoop, purple hoop, this hoop. I did these bracelets, and then I did this crown. And then first I did this. So there we go. Got the order right. So I'm actually kind of bored of what to do now. So I think I'm going to end the video with more outro. Okay, that's it for today's video. So make sure you like. Don't do this. Do this. Subscribe. Turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. I want you to see how many videos I upload. So, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. You are my favorite people in the world, especially you in that pink sweater. Bye. So now it's time to say goodbye. I think it's time to say goodbye. Let's go.